Hi everybody. Today I want to show you the comparison between the Beatbot iSkimmer right here, Beatbot, and this is the Betta S1 right here. As you can see from just by looking at them, the Beatbot is bigger. The basket or filter comes out like this, and it's a 9-liter basket, and it's pretty big. And it's been running here for a little while. And we have the Betta, and the Betta, it's a little smaller, as you can see. The Beatbot is 9 liters. This one is probably 2 or 3, and depending on how often you run them, the basket size might be an issue. If you haven't run your skimmer for, I don't know, a week or so, you obviously want a bigger basket because you have more leaves. If you are just doing maintenance like I do here, they're just run and just cleaning up the few leaves that fall on and off, the basket is not that big of a deal. And they both have the laser sensors, and to be honest, and this is 100% honest, I don't know how well they work. I see them bumping into a wall. If I'm here, they'll bump into me, and some other times I see them avoiding the wall. So I really don't know. Do I care? Not really. I mean, they don't hit hard enough where they're gonna get damaged, and they don't bump into me hard enough to hurt me, so, or any kid or anybody. The solar panel, both of them are solar powered. Beatbot one is bigger than the Betta. They both run 24/7, so it doesn't matter whether this has a 10,000 milliamp capacity in the battery and this one it's half of that. I personally, I don't think so, because again, they're both running 24/7. This one has the engine. You can see the propellers in the back, and this one you can see a bigger propeller in the back. But as you can see in the video, they run pretty much at the same speed. They are pretty much at the same speed, and I don't think one goes any faster than the other. Two big differences. The Beatbot has an app, therefore you can tell the Beatbot to park itself, and it will go and get to the side of the pool and just shut down there if you wanted to. And the Betta does not have the app. So on the app of the Beatbot, not only you can tell it to park, but you see how much battery there is, or if there is any issues, it'll give you a warning if it's stuck or something like that. Also, whether you want a pattern cleaning or a random cleaning. The Betta only has the random cleaning. Again, to be completely honest, I don't care whether it's a pattern or random. As long as it cleans, they clean. I don't really care. They are both as efficient as picking up the leaves. Again, this one being smaller might take a few more passes than this one, but this one, for some reason, and I'm not into design or anything like that, so I wouldn't really know. This one has two issues. It has the wheels that are supposed to avoid hitting the wall or rolling around the wall, but the edge of the Beatbot, same as the sides, they stick out more than the wheels or the bumper. So it is hitting the wall on the side and on the edge, where it's never touching the wheel or the bumper. And also, when it's going, again, I don't know if it's because of the speed, if a leaf is by the wheel, by this angle, it actually, from the overflow of the water, it gets pushed out. So the Beatbot, might have to get a couple more passes before it catches those leaves. On the Betta, same thing. If it's the leaf is on this corner on the edge, it actually gets sucked in, so that one works better. The wheels are actually sticking out further than the body of the Betta, so it won't hit the corners. It doesn't have bumpers on the side, so in that sense, I like this one a little bit better because it doesn't hit, but it doesn't damage either the pool or the skimmer itself. They both have lights that indicate whether they're on or off, or whether there's an error. And as you can see, the bodies are pretty much the same structure. Like I said, the Beatbot iSkimmer, it's bigger. They have the buttons to turn it on and to choose the different modes over here or in the app. On the Betta, only one mode, and on and off, and the buttons are right here. When you turn it on, right there, starts turning, and you put it on right here. For the Beatbot, you turn it on, and there it goes. And as you can see, I have my microphone right here, and you can barely hear it. They're very quiet, and they start working right away, and they have no issues. And they keep the pool very clean. Again, whether one does it faster than the other, to me, doesn't matter. I do think that because the Beatbot has a bigger basket, it gets rid of it faster. But again, I leave them on 24/7. At night, they're both working, and they both clean the same. As you can see, I have a few leaves that come in, and it's not screened in. My pool is not screened in, so I get a lot of leaves. And I also, hey, another visitor. And I also have a bottom vacuum robot that picks up everything that went down. So for example, on the Beatbot, I do like the fact that both of them, the skimmer and the bottom robot vacuum, are in the same app, so I can keep an eye on both of them. The Betta does not have that. So I hope that you guys find this comparison helpful and help you make your decision. And I hope that you guys enjoy your decision, whichever that is, just as much as I do.